Awesome, and that was the basic step, everybody. And if you got a handle on that, you're into the next part of our series, which we're going to be teaching you about the uniqueness of Métis dancing and each different jigger. And all of that encompasses into a thing called changes. Now, there's the Red River Jig, which has two parts. There's the basic step, and then there's the change. Now, much like all music across all platforms, there is a chorus and the verse. Now, with these different parts of the song, it allows us to dance differently. So the basic step is what we start with for the Red River Jig. We'll be doing this. And 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Then when the change comes, we can add a bit of our own flair. Now there's 22 original changes that were formed, back in the early days. I myself am not lucky enough to know all 22, but I know some traditional ones that I'll share with you here today. And I'll share one with you right now, and that is the heel and toe. The heel and toe is exactly as it's described. You use your heels and your toes. So when you're doing the basic step, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and you hear that change coming, when the music winds down, that's when you have to get ready, because you're going to be going to your heels and toes, just like that. Just like that, everybody. Heel, toe, heel, toe. Dun, dun, dun. So, when you're doing that, you have to just pay attention to when the music is changing, because that is when you're going to know when the change happens. Now, if you get better and better and better at doing your changes and add more to your repertoire, then you can do something which we Métis people just love to call a competition, because that's really what it is. We'll have two dancers across from each other. You'll get that fiddler ready to play all night, and will go, one dancer, I'll do a change, and the other dancer has to copy me before the change is done. If they don't copy me, then I win. Or if I run out of changes, then they win. So that was the whole reason for competitions, and that was the old way that we used to do competitions. Now we have judges in front of the stage, and we have contestants come up and show our skills like that. But the old time competitions are a last man standing type of thing. So we'll get you ready for your first last man standing with the first change that we're going to teach you here today. I'd like to invite Alex back, and then we'll get to dancing together.